Ni ndeto iria ikenereirwo ni arangiri aya aria gwa kahinda kanene makoretwo makiuga ni marenda micinga tondu gwakorwo na wiki nai nio makoragwo maria mbere gutharikirwo to ria kurari mukawa-ini wa Dusit.
Tunataka bunduki, training, sako, kila kitu. Mambo ya terrorism itapisha.
Akiaria thiini wa mucemanio ucio, munene wa ruhonge rwa thirikari rwa arangiri andu kiumbe Fazul Mohammed augite mubango ucio wa kuhe arangiri micinga ni witikiritwo ni thirikari nene na waya kwambia thutha wa kahinda ka mieri itandatu yukite thutha wa guthomithia arangiri acio.
We have decided, and it has been approved by the National Security Advisory Council and the Ministry, and you have had our Cabinet Secretary give a directive that very soon we are going to start giving arms to the private security officers.
No kiuria kinene kiria Kenya thiini wa nenda maroria ni ugitiri wa micinga iyo na gutumirwo wicini undu uria kiama kiu giteteire gikiuga micinga ndingitumirwo uru kuona arangiri acio megukorwo mathomithitio.
We are going to create an armory where to store the guns with the company. The employee is the one who will be entrusted because he knows the assignment, which requires what? A tool of trade. You cannot just arm every card. So the fear of misuse of the gun will be addressed by the employer because it's the employer who assigned the gun.
You know, we are not just issuing guns. What we are doing is, first of all, we are addressing their welfare. They are paid well, they are remunerated well, they have proper insurance cover. Then the second thing is we vet them properly. And by vetting, we are going to have a holistic process of vetting. Then the third one, we are going to take them through a proper security vetting. Training, sorry.
Oho ne ugite kwina mubango wa kuongerera arangiri aya marihi mao nigetha metheme na gutumira micinga iyo uru.
Conservative estimate of your minimum wage, the extra hours that you work, and your housing allowance. And if we are going to issue you with a gun, we are also going to give you a responsibility allowance. Will come to almost 27,000 shillings.
Riu arangiri makiria ma 500,000 meregereirwo guthomithio ringi gatagati kao arangiri 50,000 nao makihokerwo micinga iyo nigetha marangire matari na guoya kuria Kenya ingi macemanagiria ta mukawa wa Dusit kana Westgate. Ni mubango uria wirigireirwo kwambiria ndereti nene guku bururiini kana arangiri manengerwo micinga kana matikaheo micinga nayo thirikari ikauga ihinda ni ikinyu aria manengerwo micinga. Ngiribotera Inooro TV Gitagwo muitiriri wa Wangari.